And my understanding is that is your starting point, like leukemia, stem cell transplants, maybe HIV patients, but also like autoimmune diseases and much more is theoretically at least possible with this approach.
Yeah, that's it. You could transfer it to every disease that is associated with those overshooting immune responses. So, exactly.
I'm no professor of medicine. What else is out there?
Yeah, for example, if you name one disease, could be, for example, multiple sclerosis, which is also a very high impact disease. You could also go with autoimmune diseases of the skin. But I think there are several possibilities. But I think everything is in direction overshooting immune responses. And this is also severe allergy syndromes or something like that. But therefore, we still have to develop, or we still have to do preclinical data and so on. So this is always the steps you have to do. You have to have an idea, then you have to do some basic research, then you have to do some preclinical work, and then you have to discuss with the regulatory authorities, and then you can probably enter into a clinical trial. And